In today's video, we are checking out the Ergo-X Pro Ergonomic Office Chair from our friends over at FlexiSpot. And thank you, FlexiSpot, for sending this out in exchange for my review. Featuring Class 4 lift support that supports up to 551 pounds, multiple recline positions, stain-resistant mesh, 5D lumbar support, fully adjustable and removable headrest, and 7D linkage armrest support. Setting up the Ergo-X Pro is super easy. It comes in one box with an easy-to-follow instruction card right up top. Total assembly time for the Ergo-X Pro is about 25 to 30 minutes. I didn't run into any issues at all. It's a very straightforward process. And once it's set up, this is what the Ergo-X Pro looks like. It is an amazing looking chair. Now let's cover all the features of the Ergo-X Pro, starting with the fully adjustable headrest. So first things first is there's a single screw that mounts the headrest to the chair, and they do give you a tool to quickly remove and add the headrest back. The headrest is fully adjustable. It shows on their website that it's a 12-position adjustable headrest, but I find it just goes in basically any position you want. You also have the ability to extend this back out, and it'll stay locked into each position as you go along until you get all the way to the end, and then you can retract it all the way back. And then you have a full adjustability here. So up and down like this, and you can swivel it back and go forward. So a lot of different adjustments. And what I really like most about this headrest in particular is, unlike all of the other office chairs that I've reviewed in the past, this one actually stays in place. It's not loose or anything. This is a very tight fit. All of the position movements are very tight. So once you have this set up to your liking, you basically set it and forget it. Moving down, the next standout feature is multi-position height of the chair itself. So at any time while you're sitting in the chair or while you're outside of the chair, you can lift this up to multiple positions. There's a whole bunch of clicks, and just like with the headrest, once you get all the way to the top, that'll allow you to retract it all the way down. So you can go back up a little bit, couple notches, couple more notches, and a couple more, so you can get this adjusted to your height perfectly. Also, on each side of the chair in the back, we have these red little springs here. These are preloaded. So basically, as you add your weight to it, it'll spring back a little bit. Adds a nice little cushion feel when you're first sitting in the chair and you're getting out of the chair. And this will help contour the chair to your back. These are on both sides, so you basically have some suspension built into the chair. I also like the little red accent here. It gives a little bit of a futuristic look. As we move further down the Ergo-X Pro, we also have this 5D lumbar support for the bottom of our back. And what's really cool about this is a 5-position lumbar support. So what happens here is this goes all the way in, and then we can ratchet this out and then bring it all the way back. So this works just like the other components on the chair. You're going to notice a common theme here on how all these adjustments work. So we can go out just a few clicks, but then once you go all the way out, you can bring it all the way back in. So clicks on the way out, you can let it sit there on any one of those positions, bring it all the way out, back in. Next, we have the 7D armrest, and this part of the chair is absolutely wild. So these are bonkers. So just pay attention to what I'm doing here. These go all the way around like this, and this will go around in a full 360 degrees too, all the way around. What else happens here is these go back and forth. So you have several notches going this way. What else happens here is you can flip these around to be forward and backwards. So we can go just like that. So if you like the feeling of one way or the other, you can switch these around. You can also go left to right, just like we showed. And also there's a little button here, right here, a little switch. Grab that, you can lift these up. Just like before, you go all the way to the top to get it back down. So this will go in many little notches here. So you can adjust your height. You can bring all these in, just like this. So much adjustability. I mean, this stuff is nuts. Also, one last thing. These lift up. So these can go out of your way, and if you go all the way to the top, that'll release it back down. So you have a whole bunch of little notches here. And this is really great if you want to swing your chair in and you want these to be above your desk. So a lot of flexibility with those 7D armrests. That's pretty nuts. Next, we have a little lever right here, right where my hand is, that you can pull out, and this allows you to move back and forth, and this will adjust the seat bottom. So this goes all the way forward, all the way back, and then anywhere in the middle, and then just let off the lever to lock it into any one of the positions. So you have a lot of front and back adjustability. Next, we have two little levers right here. So one of these is what you would expect. This lowers and raises the chair back up, just like you would expect on any other chair. And the lever that's behind it, though, is a 3-position recline lever for our back here. So what happens is, if you push this up, this allows you to go into a position and stay locked into it. And as you lower the lever down, it then allows you to move again freely. So you can go into any one of the 3 positions. So if I go back even a little bit further and push this up, this will let me keep going until I'm in that position, which I am right now. I release it, go back, raise it up. It's going to lock all the way in the recline position. And then once I release it again, the chair moves freely. So you have a lot of adjustability on your recline. Lastly, we have a 4-point aluminum support system with removable cast alloy wheels, and we have a class 4 support system there right in the middle going up to the chair, supporting up to 551 pounds. And as you would expect from a premium ergonomic chair, everything with the Ergo-X Pro is buttery smooth. Super smooth on this chair. And there in the back is the E6 standing desk from FlexiSpot too. I've had that for a couple years. It's been great. There we have it, the Ergo-X Pro from FlexiSpot. What an amazing chair. Sleek, stylish, very comfortable. I'll drop the latest prices down in the description. If you have any questions or comments about the Ergo-X Pro or any of FlexiSpot's products, please drop them down in the comments section below. I really do appreciate your time. And as always, thanks for watching.